Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be sharing with you the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. Also, I would like to tell you about one of the company, which is ThoughtWorks. So we have got referrals from those company. So these are the various job opportunities available in the ThoughtWorks company. So if you are looking for a job in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Gurgaon, Coimbatore, so you can apply for these particular job positions. You will get them on the LinkedIn, as well as you can get them on the careers page as well of the ThoughtWorks company. And the referral, that is the email address which is available, which can assist you for this particular referral, is also provided. So ThoughtWorks referral opportunities are there across India. So you need to send your CV at this email address and put this line in the subject: role, experience, location, like that. Okay. So apart from that, there are multiple other job opportunities. So there is a hiring at Otwis Solutions. So they are hiring for QA engineer, fresher to 1 year of experience, and this is located in Mohali. Then there is a requirement. So this is the CV. So this is the email address wherein you need to send your CV. So apart from QA engineer requirement, there are other requirements as well, like Python, AI, machine learning developer, .NET developer, senior PHP developer, sales executive. Then Capgemini is also hiring, so they are looking for immediate joiner and should be available for face-to-face interview on this Saturday, 8th of February. So they are looking for automation testing professionals and minimum 5 to 14 years of experience. Location is Bangalore and Hyderabad. Mode of work is hybrid. Should have strong experience in automation testing, should have experience in Java and Selenium, then should have experience in automation testing frameworks. So this is the email address which will assist you to get shortlisted. Then there is a requirement for manual tester QA. So they are looking for 1+ years of testing experience. And these are the responsibilities that is for the manual testers. And you can apply. So I'll be putting this link in the description as well as in the comment section of the video. So you can apply over there. Then there is a requirement for UAT test engineer. Location is Trivandrum, Bangalore, and it's an on-site location, right? Experience required is 6 to 10 years. And this is the email address wherein you need to apply. Then there is a requirement for senior QA automation engineer. Location is Indore, work from office, and you can apply to this particular link. Nagaro is also hiring for automation test engineers. Designation is associate staff engineer. So experience is 5 to 10 years. Skill set required is Playwright, JavaScript or TypeScript, API testing, REST assured, and location is provided. So if you're interested, you can share your resume with details on this particular email address itself, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.